We're shooting with the GoPro Hero 8 and the GoPro Hero 10. The videos you are about to see are all shot on a GoPro. The GoPro Hero 8 and the GoPro Hero 10. The Rode Wireless Go and Media Module and all the sound you'll hear will be on the GoPro Hero 10 for both cameras. I will eventually put 1 or 2 videos of the GoPro Hero. This is an excellent comparison of both cameras, and my intro and outro may be on a DJI Osmo Action camera. I will tell you my settings on the next scene shot and what I'm going to be presenting to you. Hi ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me today. We're shooting with, again, both cameras, the Hero 8 and Hero 10. And it's just a multitude of tests that you're going to see here. What we mean is that you're going to hear the media module, the actual sound of the camera, and you're going to see how long one battery will last on the GoPro Hero 10 and how many scene shots. We are hearing the camera overheats and other issues of the camera for some. I'm here to do a simple test for all. It's a 60 some odd degree weather day, sun, no clouds, calm, subtle breeze. Again, I'm using a Rode Wireless Go, so the sound should be pretty good. My settings are 4K at 30 frames per second, fully auto, EV on the -0.5 side, ISO minimum 100, maximum 1600, sharpness on medium, and we have linear mode and horizon level as added bonus. Hyper Smooth is on boost of both cameras. Those are the actual settings. So let's go and get everything done for you. In this test, we are checking out the boardwalk, how Hyper Smooth works. I don't think I'm in the frame. I feel that my head is chopped off. Hold on a second, got a lot of noise here. Did I get the pole in the way? Yes, I did. Comparing both cameras is not an easy task. A lot of editing involved, a lot of CPU involved. And you cannot just put in the editor and use the multi-camera if the audio and video are not synced. That you can. I meant the timing is not synced of the camera to the exact. With CyberLink Power Director 19, it's not that easy to do, and it's not difficult to do. It's just you have to know what to do. So this is an excellent video, about a minute's time talking to you. Let's get on out of here before that noise comes about again, even though it doesn't hit you that hard with the microphone. I was asked, why did I return my camera? And I was asked, why did I get another camera? Well, let me try to help and tell you why and what I did. The reason why I returned my first camera, it was kind of buggy. Every time I went to do something, the interface, everybody says, is much better than before, was giving me some type of issue. So I had mixed emotions. My first impressions was just that. And here I am today again with the camera, and the very first time using it. Again, I feel mixed emotions. The camera does a great job. It's powerful. It's got a better Hyper Smooth than my older one. And that's what I've noticed on one of the when I went towards the beach, that one was bumpy and the other wasn't. So I figure I'll give it a shot again. And here I am enjoying the camera indeed. Now, why would I want to continue keeping a GoPro? Well, follow along my channel and you'll see. Had to give the GoPro another chance, and I want to make videos comparing both cameras and see which one is the best for me. And I hope my videos can help somebody out there with choosing a camera. Now, it's a lot of money, $499 at Best Buy, where you could have went to GoPro at $399 and a free subscription and get caught in their market items, schemes, scams, whatever you want to call it. And one person asked me, well, why didn't you go to GoPro and purchase there? Well, I didn't want to go to GoPro because it took me like a minute to return my camera without a hassle. So with the 15-day trial that they give you, you have the option to return and go buy a new. Return, go buy a new until you get a perfect camera. Well, GoPro we know is not perfect, and that's the problem. And they had all the time in the world to fix the bugs and issues out. Did they? I don't know. The Hero 8 is really not giving me any trouble. And the Hero 10 is first got to warm up again. So I think it's going to work out. I don't know if I can really get my personal opinion out in this test review video, but you get the idea. 2 minutes is the longest one. I don't think I'm going to get any time lapses or hyperlapses for anybody right now, because for me to start to switch everything and go, I wanted to see how long I could get just on one battery and how many videos I can take with the Hero 10. But the Hero 8's with me, and you could kind of get that comparison as well. So maybe I'll get a time lapse leaving here. It's going to be a short one. I don't want to drain my battery doing a 20-minute time lapse. I want to just simply do what I do in vlogging. Get a few minutes here, maybe get a time lapse, hyper walk there, and so forth. I think I'm going to go down to the beach and catch some waves, but they've taken away the platform, and I don't want to get sand in the gears. We'll see. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got some good information out of it, and I hope to see you with your GoPro camera, whichever one you choose. On that note, GoPro stop recording. GoPro stop recording. GoPro stop recording.